wait
Did
for
you
the
get your
oven
lovey?
here.
Do you want your slippers?
The one that
Huh?
was stolen from you.
Oh, yeah.
I'm curious. These boots. That's maybe a good guess.
What the heck?
Are these stripper boots?
Isn't that what you wanted?
Wow, Laura.
Wow,
Wow.
you wear those for dress up.
Wow.
I'm literally crying.
Can you do single ladies in there? I bet you can.
I would literally be 5'6" now.
Yeah.